Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. In a significant legal setback for the Trump administration, a U.S. federal judge has issued a temporary restraining order preventing the government from dismissing thousands of federal employees during the ongoing government shutdown. The order was handed down by Judge Susan Yvonne Illston of the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California. In a ruling, Judge Illston sharply criticized the administration's move, stating that the actions being undertaken were contrary to the laws. She added that the government has appeared to take advantage of the lapse in government spending and government functioning to initiate job cuts. The injunction comes just days after the administration issued reduction in force notices to over 4,000 federal employees across multiple departments. The layoffs, which were expected to expand to more than 10,000 positions, prompted an immediate legal challenge from two major unions representing government workers. The union argued that the administration's decision violated federal labor laws and bypassed due process. Judge Illston is granting the temporary restraining order, expressed confidence that the unions would likely succeed in proving the government's action unlawful. Her decision effectively halts any further layoff while the case proceeds through the court. The Trump administration has earlier indicated that job cuts were imminent as part of a broader effort to reduce federal spending during the shutdown. President Donald Trump had repeatedly asserted that the reductions would primarily target that he described as Democrat agencies and non-essential program, remarks that have drawn criticism for their partisan tone. White House Budget Director Russell Vought has previously stated that north of 10,000 federal jobs were expected to be eliminated as the shutdown continued. The current shutdown has entered its 15th day, marking one of the longest in recent history, as the Senate failed to the 9th Constitution time to pass a temporary funding measure to reopen the government. The legal challenge was filed by the advocacy group Democracy Forward on behalf of the unions. In a statement following the ruling, Democracy Forward CEO Scott Parman welcomed the court intervention, saying that the president appears to believe that his government shutdown can distract the public from his administration's unlawful and harmful actions. Perryman emphasized that the court's order reinforced the principle that no one, not even the president, is above the law, adding that American workers were being unfairly targeted during a politically motivated shutdown. The ruling provides temporary relief to thousands of federal employees facing uncertainty over their livelihood as the political standoff in Washington drags on. Legal experts suggest that the court's intervention could have broader implications for executive power during funding lapses, potentially setting a precedent for how future administrators handle federal employment amid budget impasses. With no breakthrough yet in negotiations between the White House and Congress, the federal government remains partially closed, affecting a wide range of public services. As legal and political battle intensify, the fate of thousands of federal workers and the broader functioning of the U.S. government hangs in the balance. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.